Hello, hi children. Today we're going to sing a new rhyme, Fruits Power. Let's start the rhyme. Children, sing with me and join with me. Lots of fruits we much eat. Lots of fruits we much eat. Less of chocolates and less of sweets. Less of chocolates and less of sweets. Fruits make you strong. They make you live long. Fruits make you strong. They make you live long. They give you energy to play that will last through the day. They give you energy to play that will last through the day. Thank you children. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Support our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.